against the team of ERC. Kaya sumunod, Aguilar, Revolver, number 8. Number 3, go ahead, rebound. Sa team of Lam, Rivas. This is jersey number 20. Sweet pass, cross, sound drive, pass it down. 3 points. Kaya tayo? Magbulo. Brilliant. Dos lang daw yung una. Okay, boy, 3, 2 volley.
Yung ano, yung cellphone na TV.
Pass is number 2 na pass, number 8 on the shot clock. Pass, pink, 14 seconds to shoot, Coulter, no get, power rebound. Pass on the bell, good Coleman, it's a block ball. Roosevelt, long break, okay. Rebound. Pass, right play. Number 20, 11 on the shot clock. Number 20 pass. Number 31, pull up. No get it. Rebound to team of ERC pass. On number 43, is good. High ball, walking, sweet pass, fires again, 7-5. Galing ang kalamangan sa team ng Heshazaz. Kaya team ng ERC, here's number 8. Gata ko yan para sa team ng Britain. Pick and pass, 12 on the shot clock. Drive, kick down, 9 on the shot clock. What's it? There's a drive of pass again, goes to number 20. Garcia, sweet pass. Pass is number 17. Kick out to number 20. 9 on the shot clock. Palm. There's a pushing down, just number 88. So that's Brother, first personal, first kick out. Terus down pass. Mr. Garcia. Estina sundo para sa team ng Garcia at ang Rizal. First personal down sa team bell. Yung down tayo. Pass on number 43, sweep pass in the middle. Low 2, in and out. You have 15. And pass on number 20. Cross. 5-1, waiting for Stevie, close again. Long 2, look at, rebound, drive. Good for 2 sa Gilas. And score 9-5 naman sa apat. That very pass again. Just number 43. Ball on the shot clock. And there's 3 seconds violation. Pass number 7, Cruz, ang may tangan, Garcia. 16 on the shot clock. Garcia pa rin. 14 on the shot clock. Pick and pass. Cruz on the left wing. Drive. Nice up. And a whistle. Down the rain. First personal down. And a 17 down. Teach 5. He's back down. Pass number 13, almost. Shoot pass. Alfonso long break. No. There's a rebound. Good for two. Score 11 point running. Pass to the ball. Pass to number 20. Again, ball. Extra pass. Rebound. Shot clock 10 seconds. Number 3. 8 seconds. 9. 4 shot. Rebound. There's the service. Miguel. Number 3. Pass. Number 7 forward. Kayanan. Cross. SC. Drive, no good, rebound, offensive rebound, but it's on the shot clock to go. Drive, little pass on the big man, extra pass, ilalabas ang bola, 2 seconds, with Buzzer, number good, rebound, pass sa team ng ERC. Pass number 3, nakatake. Ang bitawan, sa block ball.
Diba?
Anong oras dapat nila?
Hindi ko mabualam.
Last number is really warm, 0 ngayon yan, magkakaroon wala. 16 on the shot clock. Ball sa gitna. Pump. Drive. Kaya Isla. One ball now. Here's the ball. Johnson. 18 on the shot clock. Give ball. Pass on the right play. Kasahan. Drive. Pump. Bang. Masa sa kalaban na punta. 3 minutes and something. Nakakaya ulit. Number 4. Pass number 3. Nakakaya now. Pull up Jay. Yes sir. Guys, we're gonna just number 2. Give me the ball. Number 6. Goal 7 shot clock. Ball now. 10 on the shot clock. Ball pass 8 seconds. Left wing. Long turn. Rebound. Continuing now. See basket. Blind na po muna sa offense. Again sa easy basket. 11-9. Bawa sa dalawa. Guys, number 30. Leo. 2 minutes and 10. Leo. Good pass. Goal 7 shot clock. Miguel Manchester third. In now, again back on the rebound. Pass. Intercepted, and it's the same ball. 18 on the shot clock. Pass number 3 is up. Again, ball. Long break, point Jordan. That's a ball. Pass to Mr. Romo. Romo pa rin. Alfonso. 14 on the shot clock. Side step down the low. Pero di na ipasok. Serving back on the rebound. Pass number 3. Right wing. Kick count. Long break. Look at it. And there's the whistle. Same ball. Foul number 7-3. First personal foul. And a 13th foul. Fourteen on the shot clock. Kick out number 3. 12 seconds. 10 on the shot clock. Wala pa rin kasi on the back. Wala pa rin. That's the rebound. Long 2. Wala pa rin. Turn it down. Is it wrong? Pass break play. Is that Alfonso? Is it in? No good. Look at the team of ERC. 45 seconds kick off. And a whistle. First personal foul. Warning for goalie. 19 seconds shot clock. Eason. 15 on the shot clock. 12 seconds shot clock. Launches the 3. Good. 30 seconds hit clock. Close na po na sa offensa. Is it in good? That's the second. Is the right now, shot clock is dead. Plays again is good. Shot clock is dead. 15 seconds. Wait for a buzzer. 10 seconds. Oh. Kick out. 5 seconds. Sidestep. Raise the hand. Good for two.
Ay, putang ina! Ay, iba na. Oh. Kanina ako muna. Pare ako nilalaktawan nila. Rep ako nilalaktawan nila.
Number 43. Cross. Back over. There goes Bumble. Baseball pass. That's number 3. Tama sa team ng ERC. Driving to the basket. No good. Walking all the time. That's number 3. Garcia. 18 on the shot clock. Bruce. Extra pass. And pass it up. Number 20, Garcia. Pull up Jay. No good. Rebound. Team RC pass break play. Mr. Manuel. Ang muna sa Bensa, Pinas sa Bernadino, go to, yan na mula, 30 long. Pass number 24, Santos. Santos to Garcia. Garcia to Santos. Long two. In and out. Rebound. Positive ng Garcia. Lays it in, malakas. Aggressive rebound. Long two. Yes, sir. Chase Keyboard, 15-13. Going down to number 11. It'll be asked to Mr. Brulos. Lucky, pull up three. No good. Rebound team of ERC. It'll be asked to Mr. 25, Mr. Bay. Di pa rin. Di now, pass, ball. Taking away. No good. Rebound is success. Number 20 Garcia. Taking pass number 11. 12-second shot clock. Bruce pa rin. 10-second shot clock. Sweet pass. Drive. And a result. Jersey number 8. Somewhat personal. Dalawa na. Oh, you got it. You got it. Yes, jersey number 20. 10-second shot clock. 5 pass Santos. 7 shot clock. 5 seconds. 3-second shot clock. Walking. Over. Good. Rebound. Sa team ng ERC. Darren Gissemer. 43 na tayo sa team ng ERC. Diretso lang. Brazil. Ano? Okay, back to the ball game. 7 minutes on the game clock. Class number 20, Garcia. Santos. Waki Boy. 15 on the shot clock. 14 on the shot clock. Bounce. Back. Bruce. Payne. Now here on the personal. There's Ozil. And down. There's number 7. 7 personal. Dalawa na rin. 17 down. Fourteen on the shot clock. Number 0, 1913. 6 minutes and 20. So down. Number 2, 5. First personal, third team down. Number 20, Garcia. 15 on the shot clock. Elevation. That's number 7, 6 minutes and something. 16 seconds shot clock. Good for drive. 22-13. Jump. Is that it? It's good. 24-13 on set. 5 minutes and 30. Quick pass. Santos. Kick it out. Lucky boy. Laundry. Update the sound down on jersey number 8. Tatlawa na. And a warning for penalty. Buzz right again. Rebound. Baseball pass. Mario Day. Say natin. Good back. Yes, David. Siya ang natin natin. It's a single. 15 on 14 on the shot clock. Yes. Longer. Wala. Rebound. Big man. 9 on the shot clock. Drive. Here's the whistle. And a bell. That's the bell. Versus number 22. Okay, chase back down. First personal foul in you. No calls to That's number 23. Left wing laundry, ball line William. Rebound the Teka. Narigyan, nasa Laginay. At 44. Pass out the Oakland. Rebound na ba? And the whistle, penalty. Penalty na. First personal is Regan Dog. Another penalty. Ready jumpers. Shot right, no good. Narayaan na rin now. Yes, number 3. 15 on the shot clock. 12 seconds shot clock. Lorega, 9 seconds. Behind back. And it's block ball. Pass number 33. Kayangan, Kamaldan. Don't do the good. Rebound is already blocked. Baseball pass to Oko. Ball now, diretso. Ramover. Grind. Bounce pass. No, too good. 24, 18. Babasahin. 3 minutes and 30. Pass going on. Driving pass, 10 seconds. And it's the rally violation. Timeout. Back to the ball game. Wide balik ng Ponso. 60 on the shot clock. Bounce. Spin. And a whistle. Well, here's the number 4. First personal penalty. First resident, ready jumpers. South right. Larry Vanderbilt. Last number 3, Reason. 15 second shot clock. 12 second shot clock. Manchester Bray. Yes, sir. And 17. Pass the receiving corner. Gordon second shot clock. Oh, Miguel. Going. Drop pass. Speeding away. Hit for 2. 27-21. The outlet time. 2 minutes and 30. $16 shot clock. Izan. Aguilar. Terry. No good. Offensive medium. 7 attempt. Tingnan natin. Arabels. Whistle penalty for 4. First personal penalty. Anim. Long 2. 1 minute 40. Eight on the shot clock. Going. No, defensive rebound. Ang buwan sa buko, may tangan. 12 second shot clock. Sweet pass. Both are shots here. 27-35. Mabasa dalawa. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 3 is on. Pass in the middle, again back. Good for 0. Balik sa apat. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 15 on shot clock. 12 seconds. And bounce and it's here's the ball. Well, 57 seconds. Yes. 50 on the shot clock. Bonus shots here. Balik sa langit. $47 game clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Alfonso. 10-second shot clock. 8-second shot clock. 6 on the shot clock. Lunches and Brady gets the seconds there. 31, 28, 19 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. Twelve seconds. Momo is ready. Good for you. Babasa isa. 8 seconds. 5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer. It's it up clear. 1. Oh yeah, no go. First down, official score 33-30. Babasa tatlong kalamangan. Here's the ball on. Yes, not to the dirty. Yes, sir. Balik sa anim. That's person number 33, Walkie Boy. Lagi down in this got there. Lagi pass it the right way. Miguel, 12-second shot clock. Almost again, 9-second shot clock. Team pass. Don't train. Wala pa na pasok. It's a rebound. Gets the whistle. Bell. Jersey number 22, 7th personal foul. This basket's good. John Price good. From 6-32, basa kapat. Have just number 8. Pass on the left wing. Kick out. Pass right wing. Pick again. 14 on the shot clock. Yes again. Binawan na sa ball. And it's a very long ball. Nice defense. Now we brought the team. Pass again. Cross. Right. There's another drop pass, extra point. Ethan on the shot clock. Roy Watts is good. 30-32. Here we go, Mariano. 12-second shot clock. No three, no good. Defensive rebound. Pass break play. Now selfish play. May kasama mo foul. I promise that wrong. Second personal. First pick down. I goes Reskin. Score 41-32. Balik sa siya ng kalaman. 60 on the shot clock. Jackson Sergio. 12-second shot clock. Cross. 9 on the shot clock. Queen. Rodgers is one in the pensa. And look at it. And there's the whistle. Bell. Is there Alfonso? 7 personal foul. 7 team foul. Balik pass sa team ng ERC. Si pass on the left. Take a pass on the middle. Masyado mataas sa Olivia para sa team ng Insensas. Bakalang inuwi ng bola. Roy, good drop. Happy pasabit na down. On jersey number 44. 7 personal foul, 7 team foul.
Manakita ko pa po ito.
Ready jumpers. Yes, this is number 43. 8 on the shot clock. Yes, nabitawan. Nagawa sa bola. Balikin number 77, Mr. Cruz Capitane. Reverse, drive, pass the shot is played. Because of the dalawang point on the shot clock. 4 shot. Itagada niya. Balik over para sa team ng ERC. Fast break play. Diretso. Extra pass. Unselfish play. Number 2. Hamilton. Yes, Mr. Cruz. Fourteen on the shot clock. Yes, Mr. Man, good work, Taylor. May something ka pinag dito. 6 minutes and 30. Number 17, drive. And a whistle. Foul jersey number 44. Tatlo ka na sa grab 30 foul. Already out of bounds. good. Pass this one to the 7, Cruz, pull up, Jay. No good. Rebound. Diretso, jersey number 43. Dives down, the extra pass, gandang pasahan ng ERC. Bagong push lang yung ball. Reverse shot, malalim din. Even on recover, goes sa shot clock. Launches of the ring, short friend. Here's the rebound, was the team. Now it's his does, and si basket. 45 year corner. Pirates at Burmese on the ball. Down pass, hard step, playing away, kid for 2. 1-7-4. Pressure with ball across the team ng Inchazaz. Drive, teardrop, that's good actually. 47-36, but once on the line. Number 3 on the line, sweet pass, long 2, short, rebound, sa team ng Costco, mababa ng Puwede. Triple team, pass to the guy. Sweet pass again. Here we go. Yung two, sa malapit. No good friend. Third na back. Ano yung nagagawin sa Wizard? Falcons number 43, substitution. 7 out. First personal call, warning for penalty. First rider with 20 jumpers. So dress up. All back to third grade. Sweet pass. Here's off. No good. Rebound. Home pass to the cover. Alfonso. And the whistle. Penalty on that. Falcons number 3, first personal penalty. Green. Siya Brazil, 47-39, babasa pa to. 4 minutes and 15 sa ating game 1. Give it a ball, sa play. Sweet pass. Not just a break. In and out. Ibalik sa team ng Oxco. Pero pass, left wing. Hindi siya wala. Balik sa taas, 12 seconds. Alfonso. No good. Pero rebound against the team of ERC. Madaling gawin na bola. Coming from the right wing. Plays it in. That's good. Balik sa 10. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Back to Mr. Romo. 12-7 shot clock. Pull up J. No good. The best Alfonso naman extra class. Wala. Hindi naman Berg. The rebound para sa team ng ERC. At ang basket. Gandang pasahan na naman. It's a class. Well done. There's only 3 minutes. Nabigay. Basket. Bola. Drive, drop pass, long 2 is good. 41-51, the pass is up to Pops up, laser is good. Just Alfonso. Isirino nga pinanugin. Push the ball again. Namumuna na naman sa offensive version. Wala. Rebound. Coming from the team of Mexico. 2 minutes and game clock. Isirino. Wala pa rin. Ala. As a result, bell number 17. Substitution. Sobra. 7 personal foul. 13 bell. Yes, bisa kita. 50 on the shot clock. It is a problem violation. One minute and 40 seconds. Yes, number 30 Garcia. Sweet pass in the left wing. 10-second shot clock. Long three again. Yes, number 11. Balik. On a rebound. Gandang pass sa way back. Pass on the rebound sa team of Mexico. Passengers are coming sa Garcia. Nagpapit again. Going. Pass on the big man. No good pa rin. Ibang 1 minute and something. 3-on-1 situation. Extra pass. No good. Lumilipad ang mga IRC. Rebounds there. 50 seconds game clock. Opo. No good. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Rebound. Garcia. Pull up Jay's good. 55-43. Mas na 12. 33 seconds game clock. Yes, again, he's on the one side. Seconds, 10-second shot clock. Nice pass, deep for 2. 12 seconds before the buzzer. Miguel, capture pass, easy basket. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. Pasa 11. Fourteen second shot clock. Well, you do it. Kick out. Sa mga down. Wala pa rin. Rebound. ERC. 10 second shot clock on last. And a rebound baseball pass. Sakto-sakto, reverse shot, wala. Iba din ang ERC Garcia, is it? Good back. Wala pa rin. Second attempt, wala pa rin. Third attempt, tingnan natin. the ball now. That's Mr. Norton. Mr. D. Keep pressing the right. Pump and powers a break. Short. Out of bounds. Fourth and 7 shot clock. Ten-second shot clock. Side step. Wala. First and down. 10 seconds. Right, reverse. Wala pa rin. Investigate Mr. D. Heads up. At nakasabang na takpang. Yes, Bobby Boy. Here it is. Here's the ball. Here's the ball. Ideal. Solid gentleman. Ideal pass. Nakawala na naman. In the rose here. First down in the second. 16 on the shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Kayanan. And a whistle. Jersey number 25. 7th personal foul. 17th foul. Substitution. Akibaga. Sobra. 20. Number 20 out. Pass it out play. Olivia Alfonso. Side stop. Drop pass. And a whistle. Foul jersey number 11, 7th personal foul, 13th foul. Substitution. Sige, isa ko na. Paano? Nag-get rin yun. Alfonso recover. Armia Sabra. Pass number 3. Good pass. Feeding away is good. Yes, teammate Mr. Gross. Pump, fake, and whistle. It will be one play. Here's number 22. Third personal foul. Warning for penalty. Prima Smith. There's Randall with the jumpers. So third drag on. Another rebound. And the ass is straight. Evans Green. Cross pass. Got it down now. The rubber and there's the down. He's young. Number 31 substitution. First personal foul. First kick down. First kick out. Ano na lang, penalty kayo. They're drop kick. Pass right wing, Miguel. Long three. Short. Rebounded. Pagkakababa sa bola. Drive, drop pass. Basket down. May kasama penal. Substitution. Time out. Oh, time out. They'll get a rebound. Pass. Hard lane, the big man, 60 shot block. He's good, he's good. He's a wide 49. 5 minutes on the game clock. Not just a break. Look at it. Good times here. Basketball by the bola, number 74. Pass to the left wing. 10 on the shot block. Fake. Look in. The best of down. Drop pass. Look at that. Pass again to Simi. 2-on-1 situation. Pass. No, too good. Corbin's at 20. Tip pass to the right, Mizumo. Pamatisumo, wala pa rin. Drop pass. Move to Sunday. Number 22. Sinayam. This is the reason number 17. 30 bell. Substitution. Sudah, silakan.
Kalaban nyo? Kalaban.
Ready jumpers. South right. Wala rebound. Wala siyang rebound. I see the south attempt. Ano ba? South right? Decent. No rebound, kick out. 12 seconds. Fair play. 10 seconds. No, equal shot clock and there's a 3 seconds violation. Right beyond Miguel. Toss. Kick out. 15 on the shot clock. Right now, bitawan si Mo. 14 seconds shot clock. In the order. 12 shot clock. Launches a three. Sword. Put back. It's good. Sixteen on the shot clock. Long three. Good for three. Remains is only. Big pass on the left wing. Drive and whistle. Foul gets to number 4. Tatlo na. Mr. Prince. Here then, we review 2 minutes and 40 seconds game clock. So number 3 and 53. Fifty on the shot clock. 12 on the shot clock. 10 on the shot clock. 7 on the shot clock. Hit pass. No good. Ups, nada. The Western Region Army. Pass. Launches a three. No good. Looking beyond. Like one so. 2 minutes and 8. Good work here. Six-zero shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 on the shot clock. Keep down. 7 on the shot clock. Pull up chase good. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 15 on the shot clock. Long trade. Look again. Toss for employee. Easy pass, that's good. 1 minute and 20. Fifteen seconds to shoot. Wala pa rin. 1 minute on the game clock. Look again, we're down here seeing